Looking to upgrade the power steering on your early Bronco? Hi, I'm Monster Mike with the Bronco Garage. Let's dive into the details. This is a direct bolt-in, brand new box by Borgeson. No reman boxes here. This box is just under 4 turns, which gives it a sporty feel, and it makes quick work of parking lots and driveways. Comes with all necessary components, including the box, brackets, hoses, belt, and it's also got a brand new pulley on this brand new PSC pump and a steering shaft coupler, and of course, all the necessary hardware. Accessories to consider, starting with the 351 Windsor power steering pump adapter bracket, also the aftermarket steering column mount. Then we have the heavy duty box reinforcement bracket, which is really good if you want to go off-road or have big tires. Then we've got the universal slip shaft kit, which is basically going to be your choice of 2 different U-joints, including a slip shaft as well that is cut to size. And last but not least, we've also got this black billet aluminum water pump and crank pulley kit. Comes in 2 different boxes, very slick. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got 2 groove, and then your other one here, drum roll please. There she is. Very, very nice. Disclaimer, this power steering conversion kit only works on Windsor-based engines. If you have a Cleveland or a Cleaver, it might work with that, but no testing has been done there, so you are on your own. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and we'll definitely catch you guys on the next one.